Ablution. It means act of washing hands, face, body oneself. For example, in religion, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, doing ablution before prayer is mandatory.
She is taking ablution firstly, thereafter she would take her holy book for tilawat. Teacher teaches to the student of playgroup that without ablution do not offer
prayer because it comes without sunnah. Synonyms of ablution: washing, cleansing, bathing, showering, scrubbing, purification, wash, bath, shower. Antonyms of ablution: dirty, dispurification, pollution, ablution, 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 ablution. Thank you for being here.